If you wish to buy Apple products in Japan without credit card, you can use an Apple gift card. First, visit the convenience shop nearby. Look for the gift card display wall. The Apple gift card comes in a range of fixed values, or it can be variable, allowing you to choose your own amount at the register. I'm getting a variable card today, so I can buy a brand new iPhone. Take your card to the register. The cashier will activate it for you. Remember, Apple gift cards purchased in Japan must be redeemed on a Japanese Apple ID account. The next step is redemption. Flip the card over. You need to reveal the 16-digit code. It usually starts with an X. Open the App Store. Tap on the blue App Store icon. Tap your profile icon in the upper right corner. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. The easiest way, tap Use Camera and hold your phone over the code. It should scan automatically. If the camera struggles, you can tap Enter Code manually. Here, your Apple account balance has been updated with your yen. This balance is now ready to use on both the App Store, Apple Media Services, and the physical Apple Store or online store.